This week, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a paper ladybug. In the kit that you picked up from the library, you will find 4 red circles, a smaller black circle, 2 small pieces of a pipe cleaner, and 2 googly eyes, like this. The supplies that you will need to provide from home are glue, a black marker, and tape if you would like it. The tape is optional. I prefer tape for one of the steps, and I'll show you that in a minute. So to make this, it's super, super easy. You're gonna take 3 of your circles, and you are gonna draw dots on your circles. You can do however many you want. Again, you're only going to put them on 3 of the circles. Okay, so I have 3 circles with dots on each one. You're going to take these circles and fold them in half so that the circles that you drew are on the inside touching each other. Do that with all 3. Okay, now we're ready to start assembling it. You're going to put glue on half of one of them. Take another half and put that back side onto it. So it will look like this. And then we're going to do the same with the other one. We're going to glue it on to one of the sides. Take a half of the circle and glue that on. So now what you have, it will look like this. We're going to take this and glue it onto the flat circle. And that is going to look like this. We have a black circle that's going to be the head. So we're going to glue it on about halfway so it peeks out a little bit. You can see it looks like this now. Now for the googly eyes, I'm going to just glue them on. If you can peel the sticker off, you can do that. It's a self-stick one, but if you can't do it, like I'm doing, just go ahead and glue it. That works just as well. All right, so now we have our ladybug with the googly eyes. This is where I think it's helpful to use the tape. We're going to put our antenna on the bottom of the head. Glue will work, but it makes it really hard to stick. So I'm just going to go ahead and use tape because it's easier. Okay, and once you have that taped on, you can take the top and just bend it over to make a little curly Q on it. And there you have it, a super easy, super cute paper ladybug.